this is Suganya Sendal Kumar. நம்ம இன்னைக்கு பார்க்க போற டாபிக் phonetics. Phoneticsல particularly consonants. Because last videosல vowels, alphabet, vowels கான letters and its sounds with examples எல்லாத்தையும் பார்த்தோம் இல்லீங்களா? So இங்க இந்த வீடியோல என்ன பார்க்க போறோம்னா consonants, அதுக்கான letters, அதுக்கான sounds with examples இந்த வீடியோல பார்க்கலாம். Start with B, letter B. The name of the letter is B. The sound is ib, voiced ib. Okay, the vocal cords nalla ib appdi sollanum. Okay, b a ig, bag. Next one, the name of the letter is C. The sound is ik, ik. So ella eduthukume C ku ik varuman ketaka no. So adukana words, adukana examples na next videos la tharen. So here the sound is ik. K a it, cat. K a it, cat. Next letter is, name of the letter is D. The sound is id, voiced it. So nalla vocal cord vibrate agra mari id appdi sollanum. Okay, d a ig, dog. And the name of the letter is F. The sound is if. F a ig, frog. Next, the name of the letter is G. The sound is ig, vibrated ig. The vocal cords nalla vibrate ig na sollanum. This is ik and this is ig. Goat, goat, g o it, goat. And the next, the name of the letter is H. The sound is ha, 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 ha or it, hot. The name of the letter is J. The sound is idj. J a ig, jug. Next, the name of the letter is K. The sound is ik. K ing, king. C kum ik, K kum ikன்ற sound light vibrate பண்ணதா இருக்கணும். So G க்கு பாத்தீங்கன்னாக்க நல்ல vibrate, vocal cord நல்ல vibrate பண்ணணும் igன்னு. So இதுக்கும் ik, இதுக்கும் ik தான். And the next letter is L. The name of the letter is L. The sound is ill. L a im, ip, lamp. Next, the sound of the name of the letter is M and the sound is im, a it, mat. Next, the name of the letter is N. The sound is in, a it, net. The name of the letter is P. The sound is ip, light type. So inge B க்கு பாத்தீங்கன்னா ib, vocal cord ib நல்ல vibrate இருக்கணும். இங்க பாத்தீங்கன்னா லைட்டா சொன்ன போது இப்ப இப்ப. So p a pay, it, pet. Next q, q. The sound is quill, quill. The name of the letter is Q and its sound is quill. The name of the letter is R. The sound is r, a in, ran. The name of the letter is S. The sound is S a in, sun. The name of the letter is T. The sound is it. T a ip, tap. So here T, the vocal cords எப்படி இருக்கணும்னா லைட்டா இட்னு சொல்லணும். For D it's id. Vocal cord நல்ல vibrate ஆகணும். Id. Dog, tap, tap. Okay. Next letter is V. The name of the letter is V. The sound is iv. Van, v a in, van. Next, the letter is W. The sound is v, v. The kiss பண்ற மாதிரி lips வச்சுக்கணும். That is the sound of v, v. Okay, wonder, wonder, right? It is not wonder, it's wonder, wonder, right? Next one is X. The name of the letter is X. The sound is X. Box, fox, right? The next letter is Y. The name of the letter is Y. The sound is E. Yellow, yellow. Next, the name of the letter is Z. The sound is Z, zero. Okay, இந்த எல்லாத்தையுமே consonants எல்லாத்தையுமே practice பண்ணுங்க. இந்த videos பிடிச்சிருந்தா like பண்ணுங்க.